This is one of my favorite RC bash spots. It's been raining hard. It's deep. This mud is deep. And then when we get here, it's all water. I'm gonna hydroplane. I'm gonna try anyway. Here we go. Hope I don't have to go get it. Whew, I almost didn't make it. Oh. Dang. That's deep. Too much fun. It's awesome. I'm gonna have to clean the truck. Probably go through some bearings. But it's just so much fun. No, she cut off on that side. I gotta get back over here. No! Oh, guys, I'm all wet on that one. Alright, let's try this again. I'm up to 600. Look at that. It's crazy. I have been hearing stuff falling ever since I've been here. That's why I'm staying away from the freaking mountains. Or little dirt mounds. Stuff's been falling. Oh, that was hard. Hard.
I definitely think we snapped something.
We're gonna call it a day.